Let's build a repair droid. I call this guy ESO. I started by gathering some household items. I also had an old Gundam kit. I couldn't come up with anything, so I did some sketching. I like this guy. Yeah, I got a few things on my desk. I had this random part for my car, and I really liked the shape. Alright, so here we go, starting to build the head and the neck. And onto the body. I really wanted to make sort of a light thing going on in this chest. Next was to add some weathering with some metallic paint. Here's the backpack with just simple random shapes found around the house, like a floss container and Legos. And the robot is starting to take shape. I'm really liking the look of this. I really wanted to see what this guy looked like with a background. Pretty cool. On to the lights. Okay, so when I started this project, I don't know anything about lights. Durr. After a little study, I figured it out. This is an LED light I found at the dollar store. And we've got lights. Yeah, now he's looking cool. Here's the top to a shampoo bottle. Primed and ready to go. Putting some lights in. Then it's on to painting and weathering and wiring up the lights. And we've got liftoff. Well, lights at least. With that, our droid is complete. So this is my first real attempt at doing a model like this, and I had so much fun just randomly bashing parts together and painting it and getting it to look just right. And I learned a lot doing the lights. So I recommend anybody to try something like this. It's very interesting and it's fun. Alright, time for the sizzle reel. Here we go! Thanks for watching. Now go make some.